how dyeing my hair just gives me the energy to elevate my life and go outside and be a person. I don't know why.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
And me constantly dyeing my hair and failing to achieve the color that I want should let you know that I am real determined. I'm eager even. Y'all are probably looking at me like, oh my gosh, girl, just put the dye down, but I can't help it.
I'm so sad, I can't help it.
Like, y'all don't even understand. I'm one of those people with a very severe, a very deep version of hair insecurity. I hate how my hair looks dark, but the moment I dye it light, I miss when it was dark. Like, I need help. So I decided to use Creme of Nature because according to Google and ChatGPT, she does not contain any bleach, and I'm trying to be a little bit healthier on this journey. But y'all, tell me why my hair refuses to take the color that I want. Like, it only caught at the roots and it wasn't the right shade. Like, I'm really about to crash out. Y'all are about to see that. I'm trying to tell myself that it's giving very cute, it's giving very much ombre, but I don't know if that's me trying to convince myself not to bleach it and do it again, or if I actually mean that. I look like I was born a ginger and then I decided to dye my hair and my roots grew out. Like, I don't know. I feel like no matter what I do, I cannot escape looking like Ice Spice, and it's making me so upset. People who have natural hair don't understand the stress of natural hair. And I know my hair isn't taking color that well because it's low porosity, and for some reason low porosity likes to fail you. But I was like, damn, like, why couldn't it just give me a little taste of like obedience? Oh my gosh. And then obviously because I'm mature and I'm trying to do better on this hair journey, I went in doing the LCO method. After I washed out the dye and stuff, all the products that I use are going to be listed in the description box down below. It left my hair feeling super soft, but I did feel like I look like Ariana Grande's boyfriend right now, and it's just like, I just can't do this. I feel like if I do like a perm rod set on it or like try to do like a pixie style, it would look really cute the way that it is, but I don't know about it curly, you guys. Like, I don't know. Also, my hair is long enough to the point where it gets tangled, and I feel like this is so heartbreaking, but at the same time it just means that it's growing, which is so cute. I just don't feel like I'm mentally prepared to have to take care of hair full time. Like, all of the voices in my head have been telling me to just cut it off. My natural hair girlies should relate to this. Like, I always want to cut my hair off, but then I hate being bald. I don't know. And I gave myself a little bit of a trim on top of that. So yeah, you guys, thank y'all for watching this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you have not already, and comment down below any hair dye tips that you guys have.